Basically how a blown film process works is we get resin delivered to the line from a rail car. From that point it goes through blenders where it determines the exact blend we want to use for the process. It goes down through resin hoses into each individual extruder, depending on if you have 1, 2, or 3 extruders. From there it transitions through the extruders up to the die. The die then will start creating the bubble. The bubble will then go up what we call our stack. From there we'll blow air into the bubble and we'll take air out at the same time so we can maintain bubble size. It goes through what we call our sizing cage. After the sizing cage it goes through a collapsing frame where we start to take the bubble and collapse it down into a sheeting form. From that point we go through the oscillator. The oscillator rotates our bubble to make sure that we are maintaining gauge.
My name's Todd Henry. I'm the B shift plant supervisor.
So I'm the process engineer for blown film. Basically I'm responsible to keep these lines running at their best efficiency.
I'm a product technician. I run an extrusion machine and today I'm in packaging. But we make rolls of plastic film.
My title is process ambassador. I started out as an operator 19 years ago.
Well, my first and foremost job is requirement of safety. Making sure everybody comes in here is working safe, making sure the equipment is operating safely, making sure everybody goes home the way they came here. That's the first and foremost. Second would be quality, to make sure everything that we make meets or exceeds our customer as well as our in-house specs for quality. And then third is production, to make sure we meet our production numbers that we have to meet to keep our customers supplied with the material so they can continue to run.